Welcome to PCR London Valves 2024. My name is Pamela Gatto and I'm very pleased to be here this morning with Francesco Maisano, course director and responsible for the simulation-based learning.
Hi, Pamela.
Hi, Francesco. So, Francesco, what is simulation-based learning in London this year?
Simulation, first of all, is a very important aspect of our educational offering. We use simulation to engage all the participants into discussions, sharing ideas, sharing the details of procedures, with the motto that you should never do first time in a human being. So there is an opportunity today to test your ideas prior to interventions. In London Valves, we have a lot of activities.
So tell a little bit more of the activities here in London for this edition.
So this edition, as usual, there is a wide area dedicated to simulation. We have, again, a structured program with tracks and a passport to complete. Tracks for aortic, mitral, and tricuspid disease. We have more than 15 different programs on different techniques, different aspects of these procedures. The simulation-based learning is embedded into an educational process which starts with watching some of these simulations done by experts, then training yourself on a simulator in a hands-on room which is dedicated to simulation-based learning. And after that, you can also manage to get trained by industry in the training village, understanding the specifics of each device which is available today in the market.
And it is a continuum, so outside London Valves, how it is organized?
Yeah, simulation-based learning is a very important and key element of PCR overall. Actually, I'm leading the PCR learning activities through all the PCR activities, Euro PCR, Tokyo Valves, Gulf PCR, China Chengdu Valves, Imagine Madrid. All these events have simulation activities, again, to offer our participants the opportunity to have hands-on on devices, hands-on on procedures, and have the opportunity to share, discuss without risk for patients. I mean, there is nothing better than simulation to have the opportunity to fail on purpose to test how you can treat a failure.
So great value of the Simulation Lab, and this is exactly the place to be. So join us at the Simulation Lab. Thank you very much, Francesco.
Thank you.
And hope to see you at the Simulation Lab.
Come.